Piny owacho duoko chien omenda migayo godo chal mar lokruok mar kor lwasi e pacho ka gata malo 50 kaluwore gi hik omenda ma higani. Od bura maduong' ne oduoko chien pok mar omenda magisebedo ka gichwalo ne kedo gi lokruok e kor lwasi kowuok e bilion 9 nyaka bilion 4.9, gino maketo lweny mar kedo gi lokruok e kor lwasi kama ng'awo. E kinde mosekalo, oganda ma pacho ka bende osebedo ka yudo lal mathoth kaluwore gi achiedhnade mikelo kod lokruok mar kor lwasi.
A number of development partners are cutting their money to the climate change funds and also cutting their money for development. So if you cut money again here, then it means that now you are curtailing access, response mechanism, and you will never get equity in terms of building local resilience. And what does that one mean? More floods, more destruction, more hunger, less productivity in agricultural, and more death, particularly in areas like asal areas where there is a longer drought.
We also want to call upon the National Executive, because you've got a Climate Change Act that requires establishment of a Climate Change Council. Since this law was passed in 2016, we have never had a Climate Change Council. It is supposed to be chaired by the President, and it is unfortunate that over the last 9 years, the Climate Change Council has never been able.
Ramogi en thuolo mar kawo yweyo mokwongo e chenro mar migago kik idhi mabor pod wan gi mathoth mwaiko mar keloni.